Happy birthday, dear Ben. Happy birthday to you. There you go, darling. And again, love. Hey, happy birthday for Curious, darling.
You did tell them, didn't you? I'm ready.
Nice. So at Clip and Climb for Ben's birthday, and they're just over at the side of the wall, which we're going to get a couple of shots of them climbing up the walls, but I'm in this very super sexy high vis, and we're at the LNER Community Stadium, which is just over the top there, and we're in Clip and Climb, which is in York, just at the Vanguard Centre. So we're just going to get a couple of shots of these guys climbing heights as far as the ceiling, which is all the way up there.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy.
I'm going to tell you why I can't do this one at the moment of time. I've just been on that one, and that one. My hands are very sweaty. I've not had a break yet. I've been on that one all the way to the top. That one all the way to the top. This one halfway. This one halfway. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way to the top.
Just not this one.
Halfway.
Not this one.
No.
No.
It takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy, energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. Oh, I can feel it, yeah. Oh, I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy.
We're at Cineworld again, after, what, since July, isn't it, Ben?
Yeah.
Came to go and see Thor, Love and Thunder, and now we're back to go and see Black Adam.
Black Adam.
We're here to negotiate your peaceful surrender.
I'm not peaceful. Nor do I surrender. There's no one on this planet that can stop me. Black Adam.
How was it, guys?
Good.
Yeah, really, really good.
We went to Cineworld.
Holly even stayed away. At one bit.
I woke up. So that must have been a good thing.
All in all,
I'm really tired, guys.
great movie. And Holly thought all the way through it was a Marvel's film. No, DC. DC.
Dad, you just said marvellous.
No, a Marvel's film.
Marvellous.
A Marvel's film.
Yeah, anyway.
Marvelous film. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ben. Happy birthday to you. Who's that?
Eminem. For Ben. Eminem.
Hey Eminem. Pretend to blow it out.
Yay, first try. Well done.
Part of Ben's birthday weekend. We're at Hollywood Bowl. We've got ourselves a lane here on lane 12. There's 5 of us bowling today, and he's Electro, just about to have a bowl. You're Reginald Dwight.
Reginald Kenneth Dwight.
That's the one. Oh, hello. And the drinks have just arrived.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes.
Something going on this one.
Losing sleep, I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep.
You get multiple points in your content today.